how to enable free shipping in Shopify. So first go to Shopify and then click on settings here at the bottom left. Now click on shipping and delivery. Okay, next is click on general shipping rates here at the top. And then as for the local and international rates, the methods are the same, alright? So click on add rate here. And then just type in your the name here. Free shipping, sorry. Okay. Now just type in the name here. And next is, as for the price, make sure to make it 0 so it becomes free. And then if you want to add conditional pricing here, you can just do that here. And then after that, you can just click on done. And there you go. Now you can do the same here for the international rate. And that's it. So just click on save here at the top. And there you go. So if you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.